Believe me, you're going to be surprised. I love the colors. It's fantastic. The preparation of this show apartment is above and beyond.
You can put even a bed here.
The size is really perfect.
Yeah.
Oh, that's really spacious.
You have 75,000 square feet of amenities.
Wow. So this is the fantastic project that you have been exciting us about.
Yes, exactly.
Wow.
This is show apartment for one bedroom in our project Sierra, which is new masterpiece in Metro City. What will be included? It will be semi-furnished with all kitchen appliances.
I love the colors. I love the hidden light. I love the exposed shelf with the tinted glass. It's really, really nice. And the island will come ready, right?
Yes.
As we see it, they will get it without the small details.
The same
Wow.
what you can see here, except furniture.
Yeah, that's really beautiful, really beautiful.
So you can touch, you can see the quality.
Yeah, I know. I have entered into your previous projects and I know
So
that.
you know it's, yeah.
Yeah, it's perfect. Built-in fridge and freezer, all Tekka, right?
All Tekka, yeah, which is German one. So
Okay.
you have all kitchen included,
Amazing.
appliances. You have a big laundry area as well.
Ah, okay. That's good that it's separated there rather than in the kitchen. It has its own
You
area.
can put even a bed here if you want to.
And the shelves will come built in.
Yes.
And it depends on the layout, right? The size
True.
of. Okay. Before we continue, I want to show you the little details that Iman goes always above and beyond in making in their houses. Like, look at this exposed shelves with nice tinted glass. So you can put some nice glass pieces and storage area as well. And we have the extendable faucet. The colors, like, look at the color of the water fittings and the sink matching with the rest of the house. Like, the staging and the preparation of this show apartment is above and beyond. And when you make it your own home, it's fantastic. The tinted glass, the hub, the ventilation hub, and a lot of storage. Everything is soft closing. And the porcelain tile slabs that they are using here is really nice. Full slab, and under it there is hidden light here under the cupboards. Really beautiful touches. I like that it continues behind the cupboard. You see, Victoria, it's really beautiful. It's like a full wall, and then they fix the cupboards above it. Really nice touches. And we have a lot of storage. Keep in mind that this is a one-bedroom apartment. So the size, as I came to know, that the size of this show apartment internally is around 710 square foot. So you just keep that in mind. A lot of drawers also for cutlery and other pieces. Nice, like you don't miss anything in this kitchen. We have here the guest bathroom, and Victoria, show the guest bathroom. It's really beautiful. I like the porcelain tiles that they are using, and here on the sink, around the sink, is very beautiful. The mirror looks amazing, and the trim around the mirror is matching perfectly with the water fittings. And I came to know that these lights, decorative lights, you're going to have. So your house will look like a hotel the moment you take handover of it. Just bring your furniture and live an amazing life in this apartment. Victoria, I can see that the size is really perfect.
Yeah.
And this is a one-bedroom
Spacious.
apartment. I can imagine with the 2 bedrooms, the corner unit.
Yeah.
The living area is really good, generous for a one-bedroom. And when you put the dining area, you have a space for a dining area. That's really nice. And the island adds a lot of preparation space for an L-shaped kitchen.
Yeah.
I'm really upset when I see developers giving an L-shaped kitchen without the island, because it's like you need preparation space, especially for people who loves cooking. And in terms of the walls, it will come like white walls, right?
White paint, yes.
Okay. For the people who are watching and they like this, we can help you doing something like this. After you take handover of the property, you can take inspiration from what Iman decorated the walls with, and you can do it your own as you want. We will have floor-to-ceiling windows. Just to remind the people that are watching, we are right now in Dubai Hills in Iman's commercial office. So we are limited by what the owners of this facility allow to opt to do or not a commercial office. So in reality, we will have floor to ceiling, big windows taking us into the balcony,
This
right?
balcony, you have actually two balcony. Yeah? One, it will be entrance from living area and another from master bedroom.
That's really nice. What's the height of the ceiling?
3.2 meter.
Nice. That's very good. That's more than the average.
Yeah.
The average is around 3 meters in the market. I'm so fascinated by the porcelain tile or the marble. It's a porcelain tile, and the LED behind it. The idea is amazing. And it shows like the stone is floating over the wood. And at the same time, it completely hides the kitchen from the living area. It's a small detail, but it adds a lot of effect. Very beautiful that it's included. I'm happy that it's included. Really nice. Of course, without the decoration pieces like this.
Without decoration.
Yeah, that I can give to you if you will buy apartment with Iman. No problem. So we have the guest bathroom and we have the master bathroom inside the master bedroom, right?
Yes.
Okay, talking about the master bedroom. Let
me show you.
Yes. Oh, that's really spacious.
It is, because you will have a huge walk-in wardrobe.
Okay, nice, with LED inside and a lot of storage space. That's really cool. Bloom hinges, very high quality, guys. That's what I'm telling you with MTS. And I like also that you have done part of it as tinted glass and part as wooden doors. Really nice.
For elegant.
Yes, yes. And I like how the AC vents are seamless, like hidden, rather than this big vents that can look ugly sometimes. Like it can destroy the decoration, you know. Here we will also have white walls, and they can take inspiration of what we have done. We will have floor to ceiling windows that are taking us to the balcony.
To the balcony, correct.
Okay, correct. Great. And if you are buying with me, you should go with the pool view. It's fantastic. It will be seamless like this. Oh, wow. That's really nice. It's like if somebody enters, you can tell them, guess where is the bathroom? But I'm really surprised about the size of the master bedroom, because the living area and the dining area was very good for a one-bedroom apartment. So what we do in our channel is always we go, I'll show you. We have a tradition. We stand in the corner and we try to show people like the prospect on the video on how big is the room. So Victoria goes into the other end of the room diagonally, and we show the people how big is the room. It's really big, and this is a king-size bed with a big headboard, and still you have a lot of space to move around, circulation area. It's really good. Like if you are watching the video and you are going to buy here, the decoration is perfect. In case you are someone who likes lighter colors, maybe you can do so, but everything is matching perfectly. Really nice. And I'm happy with the finishing, the details that Iman does and the finishing. Like we go into snagging an apartment, doesn't need anything, like done, perfect. Okay, sign handover. That's really nice. That's really nice. Let's check the bathroom. The first thing that attracted my eye, okay, the mirror and the area here is really beautiful. But the gigantic rain head shower, it's like a you're gonna have tropical rain when you turn it on, you know?
Yeah, like in a valley.
Yeah, like really big, really big. Maybe one of the biggest rain head showers that we saw. Gigantic amenities and gigantic shower. And we have here also the trims that they are using on like the handle and everything. Everything is perfectly matching. And guys, like, things that we notice also in other show apartments, because we visit a lot of projects every single week. I want you to have a look at the grouting details. Like it's like a mirror, guys. Look at the way they have done the drainage. It's perfection. Like you feel like someone is laser cutting everything and sticking everything together, grouting everything together in a perfection. This is what you are going to have inside your apartment buying from Iman. And I promise you that, because we have seen it, we have tested it, we have seen around 10 handed over projects and other that are under construction, and Iman always delivers. That's not gonna change between day and night. It means that the developer built a reputation, tower by tower by tower, apartment by apartment, happy client by happy client. This is what we are always looking for and trying to show you on this channel. And of course, the bathroom looks like a T letter shape. We have on the other side the water closet with a nice feature wall, similar and matching to this one. But really, the apartment is spacious for a 710 square foot. You might read it on paper and think, 710, it's okay. But when you enter inside, if the design is smart, if the cut and the layout is smart, this is where the developers are either successful or they screw it up. Because sometimes we see 800 square foot, but then you see like a lot of dead areas. And here they have used the space perfectly. Really bravo.
I'm glad to hear that.
Thank you so much. Thank you. But like, what else do you think is attraction points for this?
Definitely our amenities.
Really?
I need to show you Mohammed.
Yeah.
And
When I
need to
was coming in,
explain.
I saw like a lot of water and greenery and like things. But I'm excited to know more from you. But before we go to the amenities, I really want to tell you about the projects that they have delivered and they are working on. It's unbelievably nice. Every project has a different story, different amenities. Nothing is similar to other projects. How many projects you have delivered? What are you working on right now?
Basically, in our portfolio, we have 15 projects.
Wow.
And 9 projects we already handed over.
Yes.
So our ready project showing as well, if you check the XB report, one of the highest rental rents.
I saw one bedrooms in JVC where the average is 80, 90. It's going
Can you
for
imagine it?
130, 120. But like, what do you think is the main reason? Is it the amenities or the quality or what would you say?
Both, definitely both. It's quality, it's limited number of units, it's spacious sizes, and of course it's amenities. Like, we never compromise on amenities, yeah? And by the way, we have multiple awards from Dubai Land Department as a speed of development.
Oh wow, that's good. This is an award that no one can apply for or something.
Yeah.
This is Dubai Land Department choose and monitor who's doing good in the construction, and they give it.
Yeah, and you cannot even apply. So
Yeah,
this is
exactly.
the
You
best.
need to work hard to get it.
And we are so proud.
Yeah, of course. You have to, because really amazing. A developer that started from one project into the other, and now they have a legacy. This is really amazing. And like, you look.
If you are promised, you will get.
Yes, and exactly what they are promising, they are delivering. And if you look at this project, this one was in Arjan, right?
This is Motor City.
In Motor City. Okay, I'm mixing a lot of projects, a lot of developers, and I have to remember everything. But like, guys, isn't it a tropical garden in the middle with a lot of amenities? You have the sand beach around the pool and like, I don't know, people go to such buildings as hotels to spend vacation. And living in such building, having this view, every day is a vacation.
Yeah, it's hotel living actually.
Exactly. And that's mainly started happening like post-corona. Even before corona, your amenities was great. But after the corona crisis, now developers are pushing the boundaries in terms of amenities, in terms of what they are offering for the people, even inside a residential building. Many hotels are finding it difficult to compete with developers right now. The new project is what I'm excited about. Like,
It is. No, it's one of the largest.
The building is really tall.
It's our masterpiece, you can say.
how many floors is going to be?
41.
41. This is the
41
tallest you have done
The
so far.
tallest. The
Okay.
tallest. This is the tallest building ever done by him.
The drop-off area, come on, it looks like a 6-7 stars hotel. I don't know.
Yeah,
like,
it is.
With the water feature and the name of the building and like the roundabout, it's really nice.
And the moment you enter also lobby, you will have double high ceiling lobby up to 8.5 meters. You can imagine.
Wow.
It's
We will show you on the screen so you can imagine and see it by yourself when you buy here. From the other side is majority of the amenities, right?
Yes, correct. You have 75,000 square feet of amenities.
Wow.
So you can imagine, it's massive. You will not find any similar building in this location with this amount of amenities.
Yeah, I can see. In Motor City, to be honest, so far we have not seen something like that yet. Let me explain to you the details and put on the screen all the amenities and how you're going to have it, because believe me, you're going to be surprised. Well, thank you so much, Victoria, for your time. I really appreciate it. I know that you're going to have an extremely busy day. Yesterday, we couldn't even shoot. I appreciate your time. We're going to say goodbye for Victoria, but you stay tuned to show you all the amazing amenities. Thank you so much, Victoria. I appreciate it. Thank you. Take care. And now for the mock-up and the amenities that we will have in this project. As I said in the beginning of the video, 90 types of amenities, the largest and the biggest ever done in Motor City, and I think in many projects around Dubai. The pool is out of a 5-star hotel. No one can say otherwise. You have a paddle tennis, you have basketball court, you have an outdoor gym, a Zen garden with an area for yoga inside the Zen garden surrounded by water features. So can you imagine what type of yoga or meditation you will be doing inside this Zen garden? It's unbelievably nice. Now the company who is doing for them the landscaping, this company has done landscaping for ultra premium projects and master plans that are amazing in Dubai. They are doing the landscaping in Sierra, this amazing project that is from Iman. The kids play area honestly makes me want to go back and be a kid and play in it. It's amazing outside and inside. The kids pool is unbelievable and the gym is gigantic, overlooking the pool. And we have so many other amenities that are inside the tower. So, you know, we have 3 months of very hot weather and the rest are really nice weather. So you can enjoy both, even living in a tower. The barbecue area, the seating area are really, really fantastic. And if we look at the whole tower and the amenities area, it is literally enough space to build another tower. The developer went with the amenities where it is 75,000 square foot of amenities. Like, it's mind-blowing. So you have seen this iconic project, Sierra, in Motor City. You have seen what it's going to deliver to its residents or to the happy owners that are going to live there. You have seen the lifestyle that it's going to create, and you know Motor City from our previous videos and how vibrant community it is, full of retails, restaurants, and everything a family needs, green spaces, more than what you have even in the tower, and walkways and parks for you and your family and your pets. The lifestyle of Motor City is very energized, it's very active, it's very beautiful at the same time. So if you want to make one of these amazing apartments your home sweet home or your profitable investment, you can contact us on the numbers below, on the email, on the WhatsApp, whatever. And regarding the prices and sizes of this amazing project, you will find everything in the bottom end of the screen. For further information, our team speaks more than 10 languages, and we are happy to assist you whether you like Motor City or any other area in Dubai. We have starting from ultra luxurious mansions down to an affordable studio anywhere in Dubai. So take care, subscribe, hit the like button, and share with your friends and family, and see you in other amazing videos from the fantastic city of Dubai.